still living under the shadow of fear from gangs operating in the area. This is after a man was shot right outside his home in Kisauni and just a few meters from the Kisauni police station.
Grief-stricken family and friends gathered outside the home of Titus Mugavi. They could barely hide the pain of the painful loss. Mugavi was seated outside his home last night waiting for his youngest daughter to finish preparing tea. The 49-year-old father of 3 was sprayed with 7 bullets by 2 unknown assailants at around 8 p.m.
Watu wawili walitoka kumamia hapa wakamuongelesha, lakini babangu hakujibu. Asa ile ndo alikuwa yuamka hivi wakamshuta risasi sana. Huyo ndo mamangu alimuona, kwa sababu mamangu alishtuka venye alisimama, alikuwa amekaa kibandani. Sasa akasimama akawaona.
Living in fear of ruthless criminal gangs operating in the area. Police declined to comment on the incident but say they are investigating the murder.